Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission, as well as included as trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, panoramic sunroof, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, second row heated seating, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior now. We're going to have these all black doors with the red stitch. On the bottom here, we're going to have storage and cup holder as well. It's going to come equipped with our Bose speaker sound system. That's going to come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, as well as your seat memory here. You're going to have these black running boards, non-power, of course Chevrolet badging, and you're going to have the heated seats with the red stitch, very comfortable with power adjustable lumbar. Click the shoes a little bit, there we go. All right, moving in here on the left now, we're going to have our parking brake as well as our lane keep assist, automatic park assist, 360 camera view, as well as our 2 and 4-wheel drive and our brake controller as well. Onto the steering wheel on the left side will be our cruise control, forward collision alert, and as well as our heated steering wheel. And on the right side is our voice recognition and our digital gauge cluster. You can access trip 1, trip 2, timer, adaptive cruise, as well as your oil life, brake pad life, tire pressure, and so much more. Of course, here we're going to have the push to start, the brand new shifters, as well as we're going to have our dual zone climate control, as well as our rear climate control, heated seats like I said, 2 USB ports, a wireless charging pad, as well as a 12-volt DC port. And up onto the infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front and rear cameras, as well as your 360-degree camera, like I said earlier, and your trailer hitch camera, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa. Of course, we're going to have the cup holders, bagel center console with 2 extra USB ports inside. Lots of extra storage inside. Passenger side is going to be power adjustable again. Red stitch. It's going to have that red stitch across the door. And the dash, you're going to have your Bose speakers up top as well. You can access your SOS and your OnStar services, as well as your universal garage door opener, powered sunroof, and rear liftgate control. So you're going to have these blacked out 22-inch aluminum wheels here, of course, with our black Tahoe badging and paint match mirror cap and keyless entry door handles, even on the rear. It's also going to have the black luggage rack, deep tint rear glass. You're going to have your Tahoe and RST badging, as well as that quad exhaust. Sounds pretty good. We're also going to have our power liftgate, of course, so didn't press hard enough, it's a little cold. All right, moving inside here, we're going to have our tow hooks. We're going to have an AC wall charger, as well as our powered seats, extra storage, and as well, if you want. That seat's got to move up, but both seats go down. And to access third seat, we'll just do it right here. So both sides are going to have USB-Cs, as well as 2 cup holders, and vents and hooks up top, as well as a lamp up top. Very spacious rear. All right, rear interior now, it's got the same style. Storage on the bottom, as well as that Bose speaker. It's going to come up here, equipped with the power locks and the power windows. Of course, we're going to have our Chevrolet badging, and both the captain seats are reclinable and adjustable, of course. Hop in, lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, rear cup holders with rear ventilation, heated seats, and 2 USB-C ports and an AC wall charger. You're going to have lamps and handles and vents on the side. Right above you is that dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, trailer tow package with brake controller, dual pane sunroof, as well as rear heated seating, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope to subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.